What happened to being illegal?
What's that? Well, we have arrived once again at Sofala on the Turon. There's Simon with his lampmobile. And there are the idiot children, only 2 of them this time. Third one staying at home. Come on, hurry it up, get it going, because there's a tent they've got to put up. This should be fun to watch. Time to get something happening for dinner. Steak sandwiches, and we'll boil some water there, make some noodles, it's all going to be good. This too, I think they've been drunk, they've been down the river and whatever.
I think it was the vodka.
Oh god. That's dinner over. The steak sandwichettes, they were good. Cup of tea to finish off. Get the girls to do the washing up. We'll be laughing. That little stove worked out an absolute charm. Yeah. Right, it's morning. Got through the night. It was pouring down with rain. I was fine. The girls though had left open the zipper to their tent, which got wet, so they had to sleep in Uncle Simon's caravan. Other than that, all is well. Right, we're making some Mexican beef fajitas. There they are. We've got in the pockets there. And some rice, some beef, some salsa. Put it all together. It's going to be yummy. Can't let you watch the actual process because I don't have a tripod. Can't find the selfie stick. So just stay tuned. I'll keep you up to date. Right, so there's the Mexican rice. There's the meat with the salsa. And I think we're going to put it all together and then stick it in those pockets. Stand by. What do you reckon, Simon? Yes?
Oh, I don't know. Hamish is going to love it.
And there we have it. The beautiful beef fajita pockets. Mild salsa sauce. And there's someone eating it and not dying. Oh, but overacting. Here we go. Here we are using the facilities. And you can see all the campers. It's really crowded. Lots more people than there were yesterday. Lots more people. And over there. And over there. Settling in for the night. Girls are getting their laundry off the roof. Simon's locking up the car. Their tent's all dried and everything's ready to go. And we shall enjoy a few cold ones. The river's coming up. Yeah. But not too high for us. Another great night. And we're away from all those people.